Today we talk about how can you delete your account on your Grubhub app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on account. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down. So you keep going down here and you click here on so you click here on manage account, then it's going to take us to this list and you click here on manage data or delete accounts here. Then you come to this list, just switching to open video here. So then all you have to do, just go down and you come here to delete your personal information. Click here on send a request. So then it's going to take us to this list, add here your email and you click here on verify my email. Then it's going to delete video on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.